Namaskar. Like we announced some time ago, from today we are going to start a video series on Vedic math, and this is the first video in the series. In this video, we are going to learn about the fundamentals, some of the very basic concepts of Vedic math that we are going to use throughout our video series. So let's quickly go through these concepts and learn about the fundamentals so that we can apply those in coming videos. Today we are going to learn our first sutra, and that is Ekadhikena Poorvena. This sutra just means that Ekadhikena means one more, then Poorvena means before. So if we translate this particular sutra in English, it means one more than before. Now you would wonder how it is useful and where it would be applicable. I'm going to explain the application of this particular sutra in coming videos, but the first and one of the most simple application of this is something called as magic circle 1. If you observe this particular circle, then there are two numbers on a particular horizontal line. For example, you have 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, and 5. And again 10 on the other side. And if you look at this particular circle carefully, you would realize that 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. This circle actually is built on the basis of 10 because all our mathematics, the arithmetic is based on decimal number system. That's why 10 is called the base number, and then all the calculations are based on, in Vedic math specifically, are based on the base number or multiples of the base number. So in this circle we get 5 pairs, 9 and 1, and 9 plus 1 is 10, 8 and 2, 8 plus 2 is 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, and 5 plus 5 is also equal to 10. So these 5 pairs are important as we apply other sutras of Vedic math. So let's see how we are going to apply or use this magic circle as we learn Vedic maths. We have another circle, I call it as magic circle number 2. Again here we have 4 pairs and the sum of these pairs is 9. For example, 8 plus 1 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 4 is also equal to 9. I'll quickly explain about these pairs in magic circle number 2 in few slides. The next and important concept is how we treat carries in Vedic math. Here is a sum 29 plus 38. Now in this particular sum, 9 plus 8 is 17, and we write 17 as it is, just that we write 7 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place just below and right there rather than writing it on the top. This helps us to verify the number, because in case we want to see how much is 9 plus 8 that we had written in the past, we get to see that it is 17 or whatever it is. So that's why we write carries like this in Vedic math. So the sum becomes much simpler. 9 plus 8 is 17, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, and the answer is 67. So this is how we write carries, or we write actually the whole numbers right here. The digit sum. The digit sum is a concept where the magic circle number 2 would be applicable. Digit sum is nothing but the sum of the digits in any number. So for example, the digit sum of 13 would be 1 plus 3, that is 4. If we add 9 to any number or subtract 9 from any number, its digit sum remains 1 and the same. For example, the digit sum of 10 is 1 plus 0, that is 1. And the digit sum of 19 would also be 9 plus 1, 10, and again 1 plus 0, so 1. So if the digit sum of any number is more than 9, then we add the digits of that number again. And then like we learnt about magic circle number 2, here in case there are nines or there are pairs which actually form 9, for example 5 and 4, then those pairs can be ignored while we find the digit sum of any number. So for example 455, in this particular case 54 and 5 is 9, so that can be ignored, so the digit sum would be just 5. So this way we can simplify the digit sum of numbers by taking help of magic circle number 2. So these are some of the most important ideas that we are going to use in our coming videos, and that's why I have explained all of them here in one video. Anytime you need help about any of these concepts, you can come back to this particular video and learn from it. So we learnt about 4 concepts today. First one is magic circle number 1 and magic circle number 2. We use a sutra Ekadhikena Poorvena in both these circles. The third concept that we learned was about how we treat carries in Vedic math. And the fourth concept that we learned is called digit sum. So we'll pause here today. Since I'm making these videos during vacations, I'm planning to make or upload videos more often. Do subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, please press the like button, share with your friends and everyone who is interested in mathematics or mental mathematics or Vedic mathematics, and spread the knowledge to as many people as possible. We will pause here today. See you very soon in the next video. Namaskar.